Let's fix the misfire on my Audi. I first thought it was to do with the PVC valve, because the diaphragm had a split, but after fitting a brand new one it still didn't solve the problem. So I plugged it into my scanner and found a flat position sensor fault. But in order to get to the sensor, the whole manifold has to come off. And as soon as I took the manifold off, I found the issue straight away. The position flap sensor was snapped. No wonder why it brought up a fault code. All that trouble for this. So I took a little trip to the scrapyard. It's one way to get a bonnet open. I've done that many times. And luckily I managed to find one engine the same. And it still had the sensor. Now let's get it on the car and hope she runs sweet. Now let's get it back together. If it's not actually fixed, I'm actually going to cry.
This one goes to this one. And then that one goes to that one.
Right, last one. Right, now we need to get this oil filter back in the housing without breaking the sensor that we just replaced. It's mental, we had to do all of that just to get that little sensor. Right, where it start? It fucking better do, because I'm going to get mental if it doesn't. What else could it be? That was the only broke thing, that was what was coming up. Let's just hope it starts and it doesn't run rough. Right, the revs are steady. She's running nice. Usually when it's cold, that's when it runs lumpy. She's running perfect. Leave a like and a follow for more videos like this. I'll see you tomorrow when we fix the oil leak.